Hey, Jimmy.
Howard.
So, have you thought any more about the job?
The job. Yeah. No. Just giving it some thought.
Giving it some thought.
Yeah.
You know what? Don't bother. It seems I've upset you, so offer's off the table.
Upset me? How did you upset me?
You tell me.
This is getting a little weird, Howard.
You want to know what's weird? Offering a man a job and, in return, have bowling balls thrown and prostitutes sent to your business like that. That's weird.
Are you listening to yourself? I don't know what you're into these days, but prostitutes and bowling balls? You sound unhinged.
Jimmy, I'm sorry you're in pain.
You're sorry? You kill my brother and you say you're sorry? Let me tell you something. The job offer, it didn't upset me. It amused me. Phew. Big job at the illustrious HHM. Chance to play at the Palace. Little old me. You have no idea what's going on. You're a teensy tiny man in a teensy weensy little bubble.
Oh, Jimmy.
Oh, don't you freaking oh Jimmy me. You look down on me, you pity me. Yeah, that's right, Howard. Walk away. You want to know why I didn't take the job? Because it's too small. I don't care about it. It means nothing to me. It's a bacterium. I travel in worlds that you can't even imagine. You can't conceive of what I'm capable of. I'm so far beyond you. I'm like a god in human clothing. Lightning bolts rain down from my fingertips.